In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect portable SSD to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless which iPhone you have, you can easily connect and use a portable SSD. You will be able to transfer files back and forth between the iPhone and the SSD. You can use it to back them up. You can transfer photos, videos, whatever you wish. And it is going to be connected directly into the iPhone. So if you have an SSD that is designed to be used with an iPhone, it's as simple as plugging a cable into the SSD and then the other end of the cable into the iPhone. So you will be establishing the connection by using a single cable. Depending on the model of SSD that you are using, you are going to need a USB hub to give it power as well. So in case your SSD needs power, you will purchase a USB hub that you connect into the iPhone and then you plug the SSD into the hub. But as I've said before, that is going to be an alternative that is only needed if the particular portable SSD that you have needs external power. Most of them are going to be designed to work with iPhone, like this one from SanDisk. So if that is the case, you will be using a single cable, and usually this cable will be provided by them. Assuming that you have a very modern model, it is most likely going to be USB-C to USB-C. So you plug one end of the USB-C cable into the iPhone and the other one into the SSD. If you have a different model or a different cable, then explore your options according to what cable was given to you. Now, if you go over to the Files app, you will immediately notice that the SSD has appeared here. So you will see this storage icon and you will be able to open the SSD. By going over to your gallery, for example, you can select pictures, and if you choose the option to share or move them, you will see the SSD as a destination. You can choose what you want to do regarding the SSD, and it is always going to be available for you to manage when you go inside of the Files app. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect portable SSD to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips.